Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So as promised, once a month I will be doing a complete net worth video update. So what is Bill worth today on March 3rd, 2019? I will be doing these updates once a month, probably the first week of each month. I'm not going to guarantee what day, but sometime in the first week. And we can see if we're going the right direction or the wrong direction. Now, I want to bring something up today, guys. Everybody should be doing this. Every single person should have a net worth spreadsheet that they're tracking, and they update once a month, once every 3 months, once every 6 months, at least once a year. I would suggest monthly like I'm doing, so you know where you stand and where you're going, whether you are heading the right direction or the wrong direction, and make adjustments to your finances to head the right direction. Everyone should be doing this. I think this is one of the number one things that you have to do to become financially independent. If you don't know what your net worth is and you don't know what direction you're going, your finances are out of control. It's that simple. I can ask, with this one question, I know whether someone is financially wise or not. And I can ask anybody this question. What is your net worth? If they cannot answer that on the spot, or at least look it up, if they cannot answer that question, they have no idea what's going on in their finances. It's just that simple. They can have a budget, they can go through the whole deal and know where their money's going and stuff, and I'm sure they probably know they're heading in the right direction. But without the scorecard, which is what the net worth is, that's your scorecard, that's your financial scorecard, you don't know where you stand. You might know the direction you're heading, but you don't know where you stand. And that's important. You need to know where you stand. And doing this once a month gives you that motivation to keep going and get to that financial independence. That's the real goal, is to be to the point where, and that's why I'm really trying to preach in my whole channel, is to buy your freedom. And it doesn't take a lot to buy your freedom. I screwed up. We've all screwed up, I'm sure. Screwed up financially. We've all made mistakes. I'm sitting here at 49 years old and have 1 year's pay maybe of net worth. And that's not cool. But we can all get past that and see the direction we're going. This is not hard. If you are young, if you're in your 20s, if you're in your 30s, even your 40s, all right, getting to the point where you have investments giving you enough money just to pay your expenses. Yeah, it's not easy, but it's not extremely hard either. If you're in your 20s, it's a piece of cake, all right? Live frugally, live on nothing, live like you're broke, and within 10 years, you're free. All right? Then you can work however you want. If you work at a job and all of a sudden it changes and it goes from a job that you love to a job that you hate, you're like, I'm out. I have FU money. All right? It's all about the fuck you money, guys. That's what it's about. I do swear a lot, and I'm trying not to do it in my videos, but that's really what this is about, is fuck you money. I'm sorry, but that's what it's about. You need to be able to say fuck you to your current employer at any given time. That's when you're valuable. That's when you have the advantage to enjoy life. All right? That doesn't mean you're not going to work. Early retirement doesn't mean that you're not going to work. It just means that you're going to have the capability of saying, F you, I'm out. And go do something that you'd rather do. And that's freedom. That's enjoying life. That's stress-free because you know that your actual living expenses are covered. That's what it's really about. Everybody should be doing net worth every single month. I'm sorry, I could go on a rant. I just did go on a rant, but I could go on an entire video rant about this subject. And this is what I'm really trying to drill into my own kids' heads, is just get free. Once you're free, do whatever the hell you want. Do whatever the hell you want. But be free first. Buy your freedom. All right. I'm off my rant. I'm getting off my rant. Let's get into the update. What is my net worth this month? How did I do compared to last month? Now, first thing I want to talk about here is the debt tracking. I originally had my debt set on my net worth spreadsheet over here for February 1st, even though it wasn't quite February 1st. I've changed the date back to the actual date, which was January 22nd, so we can track our debt and net worth much more accurately. I don't want to put a number in there that's not quite accurate. So I did change that back to January 22nd. I know, a little confusing, but let's get into it, and I'll stop screwing around here. So January 22nd, my debt was at $18,678.74. That's not counting the loan in the 401k of 24 grand. But that is, you know, technically money I'm paying back to myself. So for now, this is what we're counting as debt. Later on, when this is all paid off, then we'll start working on the 401k loan. So overall debt is $18,678.74 as of January 22nd. As of today, my overall debt is $16,615.47. So we have made some gains here of about $2,000. All right, so what am I worth today? Boom. I am worth $75,814.31. That is still under 1 year's pay for me, gross. All right, that's before taxes. So I make that much before taxes. So not so good, but we are moving in the right direction, and we can tell. Personal summary here. Overall, all my portfolios are worth $11,078.78. So that has gone up. I believe last month it was about 10,000, somewhere in there. So I think I've made pretty good gains this past month. I don't know. I'm not really tracking the overall value of each portfolio and gains. I'm just tracking each portfolio individually and then adding them up. So I guess I could track that, but I'm not too worried about it because the overall net worth is the scorecard. In capital gains, I've earned $945.54 from those portfolios. Dividends, I should be getting paid approximately $440.99 a year, giving me a 4.35% dividend yield. 401k balance is $81,351. The value with the 401k and the portfolios together is $92,429.78. Subtract the total debt of $16,615.47, and my net worth is $75,814. Sorry, I will try to slow down and speak better. The rant got my blood pressure up. All right, so random portfolio is doing good. You can watch my portfolio versus the market video that I'm also put out and see how those are all doing. But as you can see, all 8 of my portfolios are in the green, and the market's doing good. Overall value, $11,078. I've deposited $10,133. So that's how much I've deposited. That's how much they're worth. So I'm up $945. 401k value is up to $105,661, minus the loan of $24,310 I have to pay it back. Puts the 401k actual balance at $81,351. And we already went over the dividends of $440.99 a year. Not a lot, but it's a start. And the debt is currently sitting at $16,600. So there you go, guys. There's the net worth portfolio. Yeah, and I don't know why it's doing that. That's weird. Oh, I must have my clicker on. There we go. So there's my net worth this month as of March 3rd, 2019. I am currently worth $75,814. So again, I did it. What the hell's wrong with me? $75,814.31. All right. So there's the net worth I'm currently valued at on March 3rd, 2019. Again, do this every month, guys. See your own scorecard and make sure that you're going the proper direction. So we have actually gained in net worth this month, and I should have said that in the first place. Equals minus. We have actually went up in net worth by $4,764.73 this month. Well, since January 22nd. So a little over a month. So that's pretty damn good, in my opinion. So there you go. There you have it. Net worth is up by $4,700, and we're doing great. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Sorry for the rant. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.